You can send WhatsApp message to 2000 different people in a day without even verifying your business. Most people think verification is required to send a message on WhatsApp, but that's not true. Today in this video, I'm going to walk through entire messaging system, how far you can scale with zero documentation, and then once it is clear, I'll show you what all things can get unlocked with the business verification done if you decide to do it later. Everything I'm going to show you is from the straight meta documentation. So hi everyone, my name is Lakshit. I left my job to start the AI automation agency called as Nurik AI and the WhatsApp automation platform called as ChatSyncs, where we help businesses to create the production ready system so that they can save time and money. So without wasting much time, let's get started. You open the meta dashboard and the verification banner are everywhere. That it feels like a locked door, like nothing works until you have verified. That's how Meta's own rule actually work. There's an entire path to real scale that doesn't touch the verification at all. Let's start there. First, let's understand the number, messaging tier and everything, and then we'll understand what all things verification actually buys you. So let's first understand what is the messaging tier. So every WhatsApp business number lives in this ladder. A limit of how many people you can reach in a day. Reply to someone who already messaged you, that's always free. Unlimited, no tier involved. There are 5 different layers in this ladder. Most people only know the first one. And here's the thing. You can climb each and every ladder without even verifying your business at all. I'll show you exactly in a minute. First, the number, the most important thing of the whole structure of this messaging layer. So this is how the messaging limit looks like. So there are 5 layers over here. 250, 2000, 10,000, 1 lakh, and last, the unlimited. And here's the part nobody explained. Yes, you can reach till unlimited without even verifying your business. That's what this video is about. So stay tuned. So first, let's understand from the official documentation. So here is the documentation of the messaging limit. And here you can see the scaling path over here. Okay, so there are 2 paths. One is a scaling path and second is a kind of a automatic scaling. Okay, so to reach the 2000, you first need to complete the scaling path. And what is that? The first way is to verify your business, as we all know, which we are under the impression that we have to verify the business. And second one is the send 2000 delivered message outside customer service window. If you don't know what the customer service window and this all jargon, so I'll tell you quickly, but if you want to understand in detail, you can watch this particular video, and over there I explain everything. So customer service window is the one where the customer message you first and the service window gets open for 24 hours. Okay, that is called as customer service window. So if you send 2000 delivered message outside this customer service window, like by sending a template messages to the unique WhatsApp user phone number within 30 days moving period using the template with a high quality, then you can jump from 250 to 2000 messaging limit. So now you might be thinking that what is the message quality, high rating and this all part. So don't worry, that is a whole different topic which I'll be covering in detail in the next video. So in this video, let's understand the messaging limit. Now, once you understood the scaling path, now the second thing is called as a automatic scaling. So what is this? Now, if you go to the messaging limit on mine, so you can see increase your messaging limit. So currently I am on 2000. So increase to 10,000. So what I need to do? Start a high quality business initiated conversation. It means business initiated means I need to send a template message to all the peoples out there. 2,000 unique customer in a rolling 7-day periods. If I am on 2000, then I need to send half of them like to the 1000 user using my template message. If I was on 10,000, then I need to send to 5,000 people with a template message. If on the 1 lakh, then 50,000 people. In such a way, accordingly how you use it, your messaging limit will increase. And this is calculated in a 7-day rolling period. So currently, let's say if you are on 10,000, but in the next 7 days, you do not send the message, you will downgrade it again to 2000. So now let's understand what verification does not change. Before the list of what all things get unlocked with the verification, let's first understand what all things does not are gated behind this thing. Okay, because there are too many peoples out there, what's the different tools out there which are spreading the misinformation that everything you want to do can be done after the business verification, but that's not true. Let's understand. Let's say customer support. Someone messages you asking where is my order. Your bot reply, that is not gated. Your AI chatbot answering question, running conversation, not gated. Template messages, WhatsApp flow, utility notification like appointment reminder, properly opt-in marketing message, none of this inherently require the verification. You still have to follow the WhatsApp policy and the opt-in rules, obviously, but verification isn't a switch that turns it on. So now let's understand what actually does it changes. There are 4 different buckets over here. Let's go through them one by one. So the first name is the display name in your chat. This is one of the most viable and tangible benefit, but the common explanation for it is actually wrong. Most people think verify your business and your name will show up instead of a phone number. That's not quite it. I checked the Meta's own documentation directly. So this is the documentation of a display name. Over here you can see that when you reach a higher messaging limit, your business phone number's display name automatically undergoes verification based on the display name guideline. Verification, just doing business verification is not the whole truth of getting the display name. Your messaging limit, reaching the higher limit, which can be done without verification as well, plays an important role over here. So when practical, since verifying is one of the fastest way to climb the ladder, verification often get credit for something that's actually caused by the tier growth. Useful distinction if you're trying to figure out why your name isn't showing up yet. Second bucket, more WhatsApp number. Here's the one I want to flag honestly because I couldn't fully confirm it's against the Meta owns primary documentation this time. Report not confirmed. A business portfolio starts with a limit of 2 phone number and you can scale up to 20. Unlocked either by verification or by 1,000 plus business initiative conversation in a 30-day rolling period. That directionally consistent with everything else we have covered. Verification as an accelerator, uses as an alternative path, but I want to be honest that I'm flagging this as one of the lower confidence than anything else in this video. Bucket number 3, official business account. This is where the verification becomes genuinely important. But it's also where the most common conception lies. Verification does not automatically gives you a blue check mark. That's a separate status called as official business account, and verification is just one of the 5 requirements straight from the Meta's current documentation. Number 1, comply with WhatsApp business messaging policy. Number 2, to be registered on the platform for at least 30 days. Number 3, business verification completed. Number 4, 2-step verification done. Number 5, display name approved. And here's the concrete specific reason to actually want this. Without OBA, which means official business account, your business will not appear in the WhatsApp own in-app search. So if you don't know, whenever you go into the search bar, all the businesses which are officially verified, which is a blue tick, you can search their name by default in the search box and their business will appear over there. And without this blue checkmark or official OBA, your number, people need to save in their phone number, or you should have messaged them first, then and only then it will be appear in their phone list. This badge itself does not raise the messaging tier or unlock hidden features. It's still the tier ladder we are already covered. The real value is the credibility plus discoverability. Bucket number 4, your legal identity inside Meta's ecosystem. This is the real reason the whole verification system exists, and it goes beyond the WhatsApp. Business verification is a Meta confirming one specific thing. The business is real and legitimate, and that you are authorized to represent it. Once that is established, it becomes a credential Meta uses across the platform, not just WhatsApp. Concretely, that identify layer can be required for things like advanced developer permission if you're building an app on the Meta platform, certain advertising, ad spend capability, and Meta business partner status. If none of that applies, you are not running ad account or building a developer app. This bucket probably doesn't matter for you either, but it's worth knowing that it exists. Now let's understand the real cost of the verification. Before the final verdict, let's be honest about what verification actually costs you, because a lot of content undersell this. Verification means provide a legal identity to Meta, registration or incorporation document like tax ID, GST if you're in India, and your business name has to match the name which is there in the document. And there is no guaranteed timeline that it can be done within the 1 or 2 days. For some of my clients, it took around 20 days. For some of my clients, it took only 1 day. So the real answer for you, if you are a small business and you just want to start exploring the WhatsApp and do the automation of WhatsApp, business verification is not required. You can come to this particular part later, and later you can do the business verification. Currently, you can get started, connect with any of the kind of a Meta tech partner like ChatSyncs or any other platform out there. Connect a WhatsApp account, start doing the automation and explore, is it working for you? Is your work actually getting automated and you are saving time or money? Then you can go for the business verification part later. So here's the real takeaway. You do not need business verification to build, automate or scale on WhatsApp. The entire ladder 250 to unlimited is replaceable without it. What verification actually buy is the faster way to reach to 2000 ladder, your display name showing correctly, eligibility for a blue badge and an in-app search visibility, and legal identity layer for the Meta ecosystem. Small businesses can skip it now. Growing businesses, it's worth doing it. Now, if you want to know what are the reasons my account is getting banned, if my account is banned, what can I do with it, you can watch this video.